Hey friends, it is Matthew of Mr. Domestic to share with you all, in collaboration with Michaels, this Siser heat transfer vinyl machine. I've seen people making shirts, and I love to wear shirts with stuff on them, but never did I ever think that I can make it at a level that would be like fetch and amazing and that I would love to sport. Like, this is what I made! Look! A little snowman. I took this from one of my fabric designs. Added some snowflakes. I'm going to make Helena a matching one with a purple shirt. And I got all the shirts from Michaels too because they're super affordable. They have a couple of varieties and this one's super duper comfortable. So why not get in all the colors? And this is what I'm doing with Helena. It's going to be a purple shirt. I'm going to add a snowman and some snowflakes and show y'all how I do it and how I work with the Siser machine. But it's super fast, super easy, and once again, blown away by the results. So let's get into the machine now. So hello everyone, look what I have, the instructions, I actually read it. You would be proud of me. So now I'm going to put all of this on my shirt. And I guesstimate, but if you want it to be perfect, you can. Oh, that looks like where it should go. I'm not gonna use this tape whenever I press it. If you have heat resistant tape, that would help. I'm just going to put this in place so I can transfer it onto this because this is a 9x12 plate. And for it to be like this, I need to turn it sideways. I'm going to do this in 3 steps. I'm going to do the snowman. Then I'm going to do 3 snowflakes on this side, 3 snowflakes on this side. For now, I'm just going to show you this moving to this, and then I'll get in really close so you can see it in action. Before you get started, I allowed this to get to the 375 temperature. You can adjust the temperature based on the specifications of the fabric, and then you can change the time. I'm not changing the time because I want to check on it halfway through just to see how it's going. So now this is gonna move here. Ta-da. And now that this is in place and I'm comfortable with it, I'll remove the tape. Ta-da. And then, get this, all I gotta do, count down from 7. That will be enough to keep it in place. And then I can adjust and put the snowflakes where I think they should go. But I wanted to show you how I remove this. There's a protection covering right here that comes on this heat transfer vinyl. And then now you remove it. And like, I didn't even realize it was there. But like, when you remove it, then you're like, oh my gosh, this is a store-bought shirt. So now you all have been introduced to this Siser machine. Yes, it's pronounced Caesar like the salad. I had to watch a video to learn that. And I am about to go on a t-shirt making extravaganza. Helena already has an idea to like do like a peace sign with like flowers, and I'll throw in some other colors and I'll make it monochrome. But the sky's the limit with ideas and messages, and I can't wait for you all to see what I'm going to put on my future shirts. So from me to you, and from Michaels to you, have a happy holiday season. It's a little different. We're all trying to create traditions, and definitely these matching family shirts are going to be a tradition in the Boudreaux household moving forward. On that note, keep positive, and Mr. Domestic out.